Hey, it's Aaron of Square Thunder, and it's official. I've run out of fingers to count the episodes of Fast Logo Friday. Yep, we're at episode number 11 already. I know we got a bunch of new people watching, so thanks for checking it out. If you're not sure what's going on, every Friday I design a logo based on a random weird word. Our word today is actually something that I encountered twice in the past week. I had to look it up the first time I saw the word. I'm reading a book by Marty Neumeier. Marty's one of the dominant forces in the branding world. So if you work in branding in any kind of capacity and you haven't read Marty, you need to check that out. I also heard the word used in a Netflix show that we're watching right now. Watching a bit extra Netflix since we're stuck inside. We're watching The Blacklist. If you enjoy crime drama shows, this one's really well written and executed, so check that out. Our word this week is hegemony, Hegemony. Do you know the word hegemony? Keep watching to the end of the video and you'll find out. Today I'm going to use the word hegemony to design a logo for a financial brokerage. I'm going to start off with sketching out some rough ideas on paper, and then I'll go into Illustrator and refine one of those ideas a little bit further. And finally, I'll show the logo in some design mockups so that we can see it in its final context. I think it's really important when we design things to show the client what the finished product will look like in its final context in a kind of a real world situation, whether that's signage or packaging or however a logo might be utilized. It doesn't have to be all inclusive. It gives them a sense of what the logo will look like in its natural habitat as opposed to just on the screen or on a page. It makes a big difference. So let's start with sketching up some concepts and we'll see what we can come up with.
just a game, 'cause I got high hopes.
So, do you know what the word hegemony means? I had to look it up when I first saw it this week. Hegemony means dominance or leadership in a particular field or an area. If you want to establish dominance in your field and you need some help with branding and logo design, I'd love to connect with you. You can find us at squarethunder.com. Thanks for watching. You stay awesome.